Hey everyone, Mike O'Neill and I are here at our latest listing. This is 21 units in Huntington Beach, 1 block from the water. This is the Tropicana Apartments, and we're really excited about this offering.
Yeah, this is going to be the largest apartment listing in downtown Huntington Beach, and it's going to be the largest one that we've seen in the past 10 years here. The Tropicana Apartments, as Dan mentioned, is 21 units. It covers 6 lots on 2 parcels as well, and we're 1 block away from PCH.
All right, let's go take a look. All right, as we tour the property, this is a great opportunity as we look at it for a long-term investor to acquire this asset, hold it long-term, mainly as a covered land play. You can go in and do some value add to the property, bring it up a notch, or it could work out to where a developer, builder comes in and builds for sale product here at some point in the future.
Yeah, as Dan mentioned, we have 6 lots here. You're a block away from the beach. And then we have a community pool here, storage facilities, 18 carports with 3 garages. And as we all know, in downtown Huntington Beach, parking is a premium, and this is well parked.
Yep, you're on the corner, so you got great visibility, and then you got views as well. So there might be some opportunity to change out some of the windows, get better views out of some of these units, select units. But overall, for a sizable asset in Huntington Beach, this is one of a kind.
Yeah, one of a kind. I mean, this type of property only comes up every 40, 50 years. It's been with the ownership that long, and somebody who buys this is probably going to keep it. It's going to be a legacy asset for them.
All right, well, if you'd like to tour or receive the offering memorandum, let us know, and Mike and I will touch base with you, get you a tour, get you into some units. Thanks so much.